Hey everyone, my name is Brian, and welcome to LITEFAR. In today's video, I'll be giving you a first look at how to use the LITEFAR Orion electric wagon. We will break today's video into 6 parts: the size and weight of the Orion, how to fold it and unfold it, how to operate it in manual mode, remote control mode, and smart mode. And finally, we will cover its all-in-one feature. So let's dive into it. First, let's take a look at its size and weight. LITEFAR Orion is designed to be compact and lightweight, so you can lift it out of your trunk easily. When folded, it measures 12 by 10 by 32 inches. When unfolded, it measures 37 by 24 by 39 inches with handle. The wagon weighs only 36 pounds with the battery installed, making it highly portable for an electric wagon. Second, let's see how the wagon folds and unfolds. It's very straightforward to unfold the wagon. Simply hold the middle part and press it down. Folding is even easier. Just pull up the middle part and fasten the strap, and you are good to go. Plus, the wagon's fabric bag can be extended to increase capacity, so if you have longer items to store, simply unzip it. Next, let's move on to the manual mode. There are 2 swivel wheels at the front, and the wagon has a total of 12 bearings, making it easy to maneuver on different terrains. Next, let's move on to the remote control. To start the wagon, you would need to insert the battery properly. There are 2 structural limiters at the bottom of the battery to prevent incorrect placement. Then, you would need to press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the wagon. To connect the wagon to the remote, simply hold the power button on the remote. When you see the leftmost light turn solid green, it means the wagon is connected. Now, you are all set to enjoy its intuitive operation. LITEFAR Orion has a cruise control function. Simply press the cruise control button on the top of the remote for hands-free operation. This feature is incredibly useful in open spaces because you don't need to constantly operate the remote. When needed, you can push the joystick backward to use the reverse function. When fully charged, the battery provides a range of over 10 kilometers. If needed, you can buy another battery for backup. Orion is equipped with dual antennas and a power amplifier, allowing you to control the wagon within 120 meters. You can press the brake button whenever you need to stop. To prevent accidental activation of the remote, we have added a hold function. Press and hold the brake button for 3 seconds, and when the leftmost light turns red, the wagon enters hold mode. In this mode, moving the joystick will not cause the wagon to move. Press and hold the brake button again to exit hold mode. When the leftmost light turns green, the wagon is ready for normal use. As shown in the lower part, when the hold mode is activated, the motors will resist external forces. To maintain a stationary position, the wagon also offers different speeds to meet your needs. Personally, level 2 or level 3 works well for a normal walking pace. Next, I will introduce the wagon's smart mode, which is one of the key tech features that sets the LITEFAR Orion apart from conventional electric wagons. So, how does it work? Fundamentally, with the help of high-precision gyroscope, our move check algorithm, sampling at 200 times per second, is able to detect changes in the wagon's posture. When external forces are applied, the wagon automatically adjusts the power output of the 2 hub motors to counteract the effects of the external forces. From this demo, you can see the wagon is in cruise mode and moving straight. When I push the wagon to simulate external forces, the gyroscope detects the change in direction and sends a signal to the controller. The controller then signals the right motor to increase its speed, bringing the wagon back onto its straight path. When external forces are applied, the left side shows the wagon staying straight, while the right side shows it changing direction. Now you may ask, why do we need this? Well, let me show you these. First, smart mode is very convenient in open spaces because you don't have to worry about the wagon drifting to the side. Second, because the wagon can automatically detect changes in slope, it will adjust its power accordingly, speeding up when going uphill and slowing down when going downhill to maintain a relatively constant speed. Well, since we have the smart mode, why do we still keep the regular remote mode? The main reason is that we don't always use the wagon in open spaces. In smart mode, when you pull the wagon manually, the algorithm interprets it as external interference and automatically adjusts the direction, making the wagon appear uncontrollable. In scenarios where manual pulling is needed, the regular remote mode is more suitable. Now, let's compare the 2 modes, the smart mode and the regular remote mode. Smart mode is great for open spaces, handling heavier loads, faster speeds, and steeper slopes with automatic adjustments. However, it's not recommended to use in cases where manual control is needed. If you are in a complex environment with lighter loads or need more manual control, regular remote mode is your best choice. It's slower, uses less power, and is perfect for flat or mild slope. Just remember, for steep downhill with heavy loads, regular remote mode without manual assist is not recommended. Next, let's talk about its all-in-one feature: the Lumit mode, the Mac Light, and the A24 battery. Let's start with the Lumit mode. The Lumit mode isn't just a remote. It also serves as your flashlight, providing 300 lumens to light up your path when night falls. Additionally, we have included SOS mode for emergencies. The Mac Light is also a very innovative design. The lantern is height adjustable, can rotate 270 degrees, offers stabilized dimming, and is both detachable and magnetic. For the A24 battery, we have uploaded another detailed video. If you are interested, please click here to watch. We've also included the link in the video description for your convenience. Thank you for sticking around until the end. We are incredibly excited about the LITEFAR Orion and truly believe it will become your ultimate outdoor companion. We hope you enjoyed watching. For more information, be sure to click our page link below. Thank you and see you next time.